Last year, I made it all the way across country, 3,000 miles without a single drop of rain. This year, it looks like I'm going to be in nothing but rain. The trip has now begun. I am 5 miles in to my 3,000 mile journey, and it's not nice out. Since I got a late start, I am just going to go as far as Fallon, Nevada. I picked that because I'm not going to do 80 all the way back. I'm going to do 50 for quite a bit. And on the way out, I really liked the world's loneliest highway. Or is it the loneliest road in America? Whatever it's called. Route 50 through Nevada is pretty lonely, and don't worry, there'll be plenty of pictures and drone flights and everything, because the whole goal is to get into a hotel today early, eat, relax, unpack, that whole thing, and then get an early start tomorrow, because it's literally like 500 miles of nothing. I was going to say wasteland, but that would be wrong, because it's too beautiful. It's just that it hasn't been infested by those parasites. What are they called again? Oh yeah, humans. So, that's the plan. Anyway, so I delayed my start today. I woke up, it was pouring, and I went, F this, and went back to bed. And it was a good decision. Because I keep on watching the Doppler, and I'm just behind the rain. You can see the big clouds. Big, mean clouds in the distance. But really, except for the sprinkle that I left in, I've been pretty dry so far. I got nothing to complain about. As usual, I'm still in awe of these little rolling hills and how pretty they are. You don't have anything like that where I live. Don't get me wrong, Pennsylvania's real pretty in the spring and the summer and fall. But boy, it's like somebody sucked the color right out of it in winter. But here it's always pretty. The skies always seems to be blue, and the clouds are always puffy. Whatever. This is day one, and we are rolling. Well, we're at a little over 5,000 feet now, and I'm starting to see snow on the mountains. And it's cold, and it's actually feels good. I think I was starting to change over and become like a warm weather person, but now that they're hitting the cold, I'm like, this is beautiful. Look at that. It's cold. Hey, we're at 7,000 feet. This is Donner Pass. Donner. Where have I heard that before? Well, this is beautiful, and now I'm running all three cameras because there's something worth seeing. I'm really enjoying the view. It's so nice to be out and about and in winter. I think we're going downhill now. We were up at 7,000 feet at Donner Pass. Ice warning. It's back up to 40 degrees. Woo! Brr! Brr, brr, brr. Let's turn the 360 off. Let it go off. Yep. Maybe get it back to photo mode in a minute. So I could just take a burst mode. That would be nice. Take a few burst shots here and there. When it's pretty enough. Look how beautiful that is. Donner Lake. Little stand-up shot. Let's see how big that belly is. Vista Point. I think we could go look at the Vista Point. What the hell? Let's see what we got here. That's why we do it, right? Look at that crap. Sandstorm. It's like right next to me on the road. Right next to me. I'm like, ooh. Oh man, that looks. It's like stopping right at the edge of the highway. I'll take it.